Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make zucchini pasta at home. First, choose 2 to 3 medium-sized zucchinis that are firm and fresh. These will yield about 2 servings of pasta. Next, gather your tools. A spiralizer is ideal for consistent noodles, but a julienne peeler or even a standard vegetable peeler can also create beautiful ribbons. Ensure your tools are clean and ready for use before you begin the process. Once your zucchinis are selected, wash them thoroughly and trim off both ends. If using a spiralizer, simply feed the zucchini through to create long, beautiful noodles. For a julienne peeler, hold the zucchini firmly and draw the peeler down its length to form thin strips. After creating your noodles, gently pat them dry with a paper towel. This step is crucial for preventing watery sauce and ensuring a delightful texture. To achieve the best texture, reducing moisture is key. Lightly sprinkle about 1/2 teaspoon of salt over your zucchini noodles and let them rest for 10 minutes. This draws out excess water. Then, gently squeeze the noodles using a clean kitchen towel or several layers of paper towels. You'll be surprised how much liquid comes out. Finally, toss your perfectly dried noodles with a tablespoon of olive oil and a pinch of your preferred herbs, like basil or oregano, for initial flavor. Zucchini noodles cook incredibly fast, so be mindful not to overcook them. Sauté them in a pan with your chosen sauce for just 2 to 3 minutes over medium heat. You want them to be tender crisp, not mushy. Overcooking will make them watery and soft. Serve your fresh zucchini pasta immediately with a vibrant pesto, a rich marinara, or a light cream sauce. Enjoy this healthy and delicious alternative to traditional pasta.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.